Are you looking to get started with CrankWheel in just 3 minutes? In this quick explainer, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to hit the ground running with this amazing software. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be able to use CrankWheel like a pro. Now, before we dive in, did you know you can try CrankWheel for free? Check out the first link in the description below to unlock exclusive bonuses and get started without spending a dime. First things first, let's talk about setting up your CrankWheel account. To get started, simply head to CrankWheel's website and sign up. It takes just a few seconds to create an account. Once you're in, you'll be taken to your dashboard where all the magic happens. The second thing you want to do is set up your first presentation. CrankWheel allows you to share your screen instantly with your potential clients without any hassle. To set up your presentation, click on the Create Presentation button. It's a simple drag and drop interface where you can add your slides, documents, and other materials you want to share. All you need is a quick click and you're ready to go live. Next thing, let's cover how to start a session. To share your screen, all you need to do is click Start Presentation. You'll get a unique link that you can send directly to your prospect. They'll be able to see exactly what you're showing in real time, all within the browser, no downloads required. It's that easy to start engaging with your audience. Now, the fourth thing you'll want to know is about CrankWheel's interactive features. You can use features like the whiteboard to draw directly on your screen while you present, adding extra emphasis to key points. This helps you keep your audience engaged and makes the presentation feel more personal. And here's the best part. CrankWheel lets you share your screen in a way that doesn't overload your prospect's computer. Unlike other tools that can be clunky and require downloads, CrankWheel works directly in their browser with no installation necessary, which means a smoother experience for everyone involved. Finally, let's talk about how you can track your sessions. CrankWheel gives you detailed analytics about each presentation, who viewed it, how long they stayed, and more. This information is valuable for tweaking your pitch and improving future presentations. To recap, getting started with CrankWheel is as easy as signing up, setting up a presentation, and hitting Start Presentation. Plus, with its interactive features, smooth screen sharing, and session analytics, CrankWheel has everything you need to make your online presentations a success. And remember, if you're interested in trying out CrankWheel, don't forget to grab the exclusive extended free trial by clicking the link in the description. Thanks for watching and happy presenting!